Hey, this is going to be a short, quick, and timeless message. This will find you when you need to hear it. So let's get to the message. So, first, what I see is loyalty. Oh God, there is a sense of loyalty in the air, and you can sense it. Just place your palms in your heart. Whether it's your friendship, your romantic encounters, your relationship, there is a strong, strong sense of loyalty, devotion, long term commitment. Oh God, all of this in one go. You're lucky. You are actually very lucky if you got this message, trust me. And importantly, now it's up to you to understand and figure out how much committed you are going to be with this person. That is for you to determine and play out in the relationship. Also, what I see is that this is a time for you to be more receptive. Do small gesture, build soft awareness, and let the other person lead. Give permission to the other person so that they can do something for you. They can prove their loyalty, their commitment for you. You don't have to initiate and hustle every time. Give them some time, give them the space so they can prove their heart, their worth to you. You just need to be receptive instead of leading the movement. Okay? So, this is the message which I get for you. Another important thing, this is also time to clean up your physical environment. There are a lot of things or stuffs in your home which you don't use. They're just in a corner of your home and they are there since ages. Perhaps you have just kept it because you have been gifted by someone, and there's a kind of ego or sentiment or emotions attached to it. But you notice that this is a kind of emotional baggage for you, so you don't really relate much to that thing, or that when you use that thing, that don't really make you feel happy or joyful. But if you use it, it actually contract a part of you. You don't know what, but you don't use it and you don't like it. So just list down those items in your physical environment and donate it, sell it, just just give it away. Also, if there are some old relationship where you have got hurt, where you have not really sorted out the problem, just do a healing. Maybe you can do a ho'oponopono prayer, forgive the person, and release all the past old emotional baggages with whoever you have. So this is something what I see is coming from your past. So don't let the past determine how promising and how fulfilling your new energy and new relationship can be. So this is the beautiful, beautiful message which I get today from the spirit guides. And whenever you find it, it is for you, is meant for you. With Venus in exalted in the sign of spices, there are a lot of Raj yogas happening in multiple signs for multiple people. So a lot of people are going to really experience a lot of different fascinating thing for the next 4 months. So I hope you like the reading, and just let me know in comments which part of the reading you resonated the most with, and do follow the advice or the guidance which you got from the spiritual world. That is really going to let your life become lighter as well as expand joyously. So for more such content, you can like and subscribe now. Thank you.